Here are the rules of full stop, that where we have to add full stop. The first common rule of adding full stop is that it is added at the end of the statement, at the end of the sentence. Okay, for example, education helps people learn and grow. This is our simple sentence. Just after writing simple sentence, we have added full stop. Second rule is that full stop is added at the end of the abbreviation. When we abbreviate something, for example, doctor, the spelling of doctor here, it is abbreviated by dr. Just after writing dr, we have to add full stop. Bachelors of Science, this is a degree which is again abbreviated. Third rule is that decimal point, when we write decimal points in our numbers, we have to add full stop, because it maintains consistency and it makes easier to read. Fourth rule is that we add full stop in our direct speech. The teacher said the earth revolves around the sun. Here this is our direct speech. Okay, so first we have to add full stop, and then we have to enclose this clause in quotation marks. Second is our question mark, that where we add question mark. First rule again of question mark is that in asking simple questions, we add question marks. Number second rule is that in rhetorical questions. Now what are these types of questions? These are questions in which a teacher or anyone else asks questions as well as answers him or herself. For example, years ago, who would have thought about the climate change? Here I have asked question. Now I have to answer myself. I do not expect answer from the audience. Years ago, who would have thought about the climate change? No one.